Hey everyone, it's Akshay and welcome back to Daily Tuition YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to create this beautiful Bootstrap blog from scratch. We will create this blog together. So open up your compiler and just follow me. But before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed to Daily Tuition channel, then must click on subscribe button for weekly new design, and also click on like button if you find something useful in this video. So as always we say, before we getting late, let's get started. First create a new project. In that project, add image folder and insert some images. We already inserted all images in the image folder which we are using in this tutorial. Then create a new file, index.html and style.css. We will horizontally split this file to right and left. Then we create simple HTML5 snippet and link style.css file to index.html file. Rename a web page title. Now we want to include Bootstrap classes in our project. So from the Bootstrap website, we will copy all the Bootstrap CDN and paste it in the head section. We will remove script tag from the head section and place it before closing body tag. Then we want to insert some icon in our blog. So we will go to Font Awesome website and copy this tag and paste it here. At the last, we want to add some font family, so we will insert it from Google Font. Copy this font link and paste it in the head. Now everything is ready. Move to the body section and create div with social bar and light blue CSS class. In this div, create I tag with fab FA Facebook dash F class. This class will include Facebook icon in the project. So now we need to create some style to this icon. In the style.css file, create a body class with 0 margin and 0 padding to remove padding and margin from all HTML tags. Then create light blue class with background color. After this, create social class and add text align right with 100% and height 3%. Text align will align icon on the right side of the screen. Then add Bootstrap padding right class. Copy and paste this I tag and just remove Facebook icon and add Twitter. Now we need to create some space between this icon. So we will use margin right Bootstrap class to create right margin. We will add this margin class to all of our icons. And just copy this tag and paste it as much as you want. And then just change this icon to Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, RSS feed and Google+. Now we want to create a title of our blog with tagline. So create div with container fluid and create a row in container fluid. In the row, create column 3 Bootstrap class, then add h1 tag and type your blog title. We will use our channel name here, and then create tagline with the paragraph tag. We want to align this title to right and add some padding top. Now we will create class in style.css file for h1 and paragraph tag and add font family. Then create a blank column to create some space and add div with column 8. In this column we want to show banner ad, so we will use image element to insert this ad. We insert img fluid class and specify image location in the source. We will use padding left and padding Y to this ad. Now we are going to create navigation menu. To create this, insert nav tag with navbar bootstrap class. To change navbar color black, just use navbar inverse vg inverse class and then add navbar toggleable md class for color scheme. In the navbar, create navbar brand class and insert home icon using font awesome class. Then create a div tag with collapse navbar collapse class and add id navbar nav alt markup id. After this, create a div with navbar nav class and create anchor tag with nav item, nav link and active class. We will leave href attribute blank and specify your navigation text here. We will write download template. You can change this whatever you want. Then create another nav item with nav link and active class with blank href attributes. If you want, you can specify URL in this href attribute. And here we will take services nav item. To save your time, make a copy of this anchor tag and then just change the text, just like pricing, documentation and contact us. So now our header section was completed. In the next video, we will create a main section of our blog. So don't go anywhere. We will get back to you in the next part of this video. In this video, we are going to create a main section of our website. This main section contains left sidebar, blog post and the right sidebar. So before we getting late, let's get started. After creating a navigation menu, we now need to create a main section of our blog. So we will just add div tag with container, and in the container we need to add a row. In this row we will add 3 columns. The first column will demonstrate the left sidebar. So we will create this first. To create left sidebar, we will add div with column 3 and then create another div with 100% width. We will center all the text in this div, so we will add text center property and then add padding 4. In this div, create h4 tag with padding 2 Bootstrap class and then add some text content into h4 tag. So when you run your project, it looks like this. But we want to add some border and some shadow to this sidebar. So we will add border to and bcolor class to column 3. In the style.css file, we will create this class first. So create the class bcolor. We will apply background color to bcolor class and then create border to class. Insert border 1 pixel dotted and specify color for your border. Then create border radius 3 pixel and apply box shadow to your border 2 class. Run your project. Now it look like our project. Afterwards, we want to add some advertisement under here. So we will add this using img tag. Specify source location of your image and then add image fluid bootstrap class with margin top 3 property. With margin top 3. Then add another img tag to display another advertisement. We will display 3 ads on the left side of our blog. So we will add this advertisement. Run project. After you place your ads on the left sidebar, the time is to create our blog post. To create blog post, we need to create a second column which demonstrate our main section. So we will add div with column 6 and then create our first block. Create div with border 2, padding 2 and padding x 4 classes. In this div, create a simple h4 title tag and add your post title. Then we want to show up author name of our blog post. So we will add p tag and add author name here. Then we want to add blog post thumbnail here. So we will add this by using img tag. So in the source, specify your blog post thumbnail and then add img fluid bootstrap class to this image. Then we want to show up some blog description below of this thumbnail. So we will add paragraph tag with padding 2 and add some demo text here. When you reload your project, it looks like very beautiful. After this, we want to add a read more button and social icon on the bottom of the post. So create p tag and add button type here. So type button, type button, then specify btn and btn success bootstrap class. After this, create h6 tag and add social icon. Except writing all this code manually again, we just copy all this icon from here and paste it over here. We don't want RSS feed icon, so we will remove it. Now run your project. So now your first blog post is ready. Now we need to create some more blog posts. So except typing all this code again and again, we will just copy this first blog and paste it here and just rename blog 1 comment to 2. Then insert your second blog post title and change post thumbnail image. Reload your page. You will see your second blog post is ready. But we want to add some margin between these blocks. So we will add margin top 4 to the second blog post. To create third blog post, we will just copy this second blog post and paste it here. Then we will rename the title and change image. We will do this for our fourth blog post also. Make sure you change the comment also, otherwise it will create confusion while changing a code. That's it. Your all blog post is ready. First we want to create a right sidebar. So we will add div with column 3 and insert border 2 and bcolor CSS classes. Then create div and add full width bootstrap class with text center and padding 4. Then create title in h5 tag and add padding 2, border bt and text danger bootstrap class. We will create a border bt class later in this tutorial. Then create a div with padding 2. In this div, we add your social links. This social link will help the user to share your post. So we will create this link. We will add Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google Plus and Twitter links here. You can choose your own social link whatever you want. After you complete this, we want to show up recent post. So we will create a div with margin top 5 class. Keep in mind that we create this div just after closing div of the social link. Then create h5 tag with border 2 and padding 2 class and insert your text here. Then create div with deflex flex column class. and add padding 2 and margin top 3. Then create a first blog post thumbnail in the image tag and add img fluid with 50% and height 50% bootstrap class. In the b tag, just type your first blog post title and run your project. You will see your title is inserted after the thumbnail. We need to align this thumbnail and title in one row. So we will create a div in flex column and add the flex row class and just move this code into this flex row div. You will see your title and thumbnail is in the row. So now we just want to short your title, so we will do this. That's it. Now we will create our second post, so we will copy and paste it and just change image of the second blog post and change title also. We will do this almost 3 times, so the user will see your recent 4 blog posts. Afterwards, we want to add some advertisement here also. So we will add a div with margin top 3 and in the h5 tag add some text. Then create the image tag with vertical advertisement and add another image tag of vertical ad and apply margin top 3. So when you run your project, it will align properly. Now the time is to create a footer section. So create a footer tag and insert a div with container class and add padding 5, black and border to class. So now we will create a border bt class which we created starting of this video. In the style.css file, add dot border dash btn and add border bottom 1 pixel solid light gray and then add border top 1 pixel solid light gray, and we will apply this border bt class to the sidebar title also. So that's it. And now create a black class and add background color black. Go back to your footer, create a new row. In this row we will create 3 columns. The first column will demonstrate a newsletter section, the second column show categories, and the third column will show contact us form. Add column 4 in this row. This column create a newsletter section. In this column create h5 tag with white class and add newsletter text here. Then create paragraph tag and add some text content. Then create a div with form control class and add input type text with placeholder email. After closing div, create a button with btn, btn info and margin top 3 class. and just add subscribe text here. And just add subscribe text here. In the style.css, we will add some style to input element. So we will add border 0 and border radius 3 pixel. Now we will create a second column which demonstrate categories. So create a div with column 4 and create the flex class with flex column, padding 3, border 2 and white class. Then create h5 tag with categories text and then create ul tag. In the ul tag, create li tag with some categories. So we will add some categories like traveling, recipe, technology, mobile, news and Bollywood, and just run your project. Now we want to create our third contact us section. So we will add this with column 4. In this div, we will add another div with deflex, flex column and white class, and create h5 tag with contact us text. Then create a new div with form group bootstrap class and add input type text, class, form control and placeholder name. Then create another input type email with form control class and add email placeholder. Then create text area tag with form control class and add 3 rows. At the last, create a button with btn info class and add margin top 2 and floating right class and add subscribe button text here. Everything is ready now, but we want to add our social icons on the bottom of the page also. So we will copy all this code and paste it here. Now run your project. Everything is ready and aligned properly. So now your Bootstrap blog website was completed. You can download all these images from the description. After you complete this project, style this with your own CSS style and show me how it look like. If you have any question, then comment me in the video comment section. And if you find something useful in this lesson, then must press like button. Press subscribe button and also press bell icon to get notified of my every new video. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, be happy and keep watching.